Assalamu alaikum everyone. This tutorial is about Microsoft Team. How to log in, how to create Microsoft Team, what can Microsoft Team do and how do you use Microsoft Team. How to log in. Go to the link portal.office.com and click on sign in button. First enter the link portal.office.com and then enter your valid email address and click next and enter your password and sign in. This page will appear. On this window, locate Microsoft Team. Right here, click on it. A new tab will open. And this is a web app of Microsoft Team. You can also download the setup of desktop app by clicking on this icon. On this window, you will find all the options you need: activity, chat, teams, assignment, calendar, calls, and files. We are concerned with this option teams. Just click on it. As you can see, there are two teams created, one by me, data structure, another by Dr. Numan, test domain. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a team. You can create a team or join an existing team. Just click on this option, top right corner. From this option, you can create a team, and from this option, you can join a team with a code. First, we're going to explore how to create a team. Just click on it, create, select class, and enter the name of your class. For example, data structure and algorithm. You can add description if you want and click on next. It will create a team. From here you can add students and teachers in your team. To add a student, just write down a name. For example, Kashif. You can select student from here. You can write email address. For example, if I want to add my fellow colleague Sabina Iram, SA, here, IRUM at namal.edu.pk. You can use email address or even name to add student or teacher in this class. For example, I'm going to add Sabina Iram, and this is it. You can also add students. A team is created with the name of data structure and algorithm. You can upload class material, you can post anything, you can add files, notebook, assignments, and so on. There are so many options here. Once you have created a team, your next task is to ask your student to join this team. For that, you have 2 to 3 options. Just click on these 3 dots, and here the first option is to get link to team. Just click on it, and here is the link. Copy it and share it with your students. The first step. The second step is to add member by clicking on this option, and add member by using their email address or names. The most easiest option is to generate a code. First, click on manage team, then click on settings, and from here, team code. From here, you can generate a code for your team. Copy this code and share it with your students. They can join your team by using this code. How to start an online session using Microsoft Teams. To do that, click on your team. This window will appear. Click on this option, Meet Now. You can schedule a meeting by using this option. Turn on or turn off your video. Add a subject. For example, DS class 30th May. And click on this option, Meet Now. This will initiate a session. You can invite people to join this session. Right now there are no member in my team because I have just created this team. I'm going to explore some of the options. You can mute or unmute your mic. You can share your screen by clicking on this option. Share desktop window or applications on window and so on. You can choose any of the option. I'm going to share my entire screen. You can stop screen sharing by clicking on this option, or you can hide it. To record your session, just click on these three dots and click on this option, Start Recording. After the meeting, you can find this recording in this channel conversation or on Microsoft Stream. Got it. You can raise your hand. You can see chat of your students. You can see student list by clicking on this option and so on. Stop sharing. You can end this meeting by clicking on this option. How do students join your team? There are three options. I have already explained that. The first one is to add them one by one by clicking on this option, Add Member. The second one is to get the link and share it with your student. And the easiest and the best way is to generate a code. Student can join your team by clicking on this option, Join or Create, and insert that code here and then click on this option, Join Team.